Rockspace App Operation Tutorial. Connect your phone to Wi-Fi. Please note, screen protector cutting machine, phone skin printer Epson printer, and mobile phone need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi. Search for Rockspace in the App Store, Google Play to download, and install the app. Open the app to enter the main interface. Click OK to agree to use Bluetooth. Allow WLAN and cellular to use wireless data. Click Settings to make sure location, Bluetooth and wireless data are all enabled. Click plus on the right. You can add to types of devices. This app only supports Bluetooth cutting machine without operation screen. Firstly, bind screen protector cutting machine. Click Screen Protector Cutting Machine. Click the search symbol in the bottom right corner. The interface will recognize the cutting machine under the same Wi-Fi connection. Click Select to bind the device. After the binding is successful, the basic information will be displayed on the page. The Begin button is displayed in green. Click this symbol to recharge the film cutting times. You can manually enter the consumable code, or click the QR code sign on the right side to scan the code on the back of package to identify the consumable code. Click Recharge. The number of remaining cutting times will be added accordingly. The history of recharging will be displayed. Click Begin to enter the brand, model keywords in the search box. Select the model you want to cut. You can select the film category and size information in the option box. Select the corresponding model. Click Begin to cut. With each cut, the number of remaining cuts is reduced by 1. Click here to delete the currently bound device. Secondly, bind phone skin printer. Click plus to add phone skin printer. It will search the phone skin printer under the same Wi-Fi connection. If no device is found, you can press plus in the upper right corner. Press the Reset Network button in the rear of the printer 3 times consecutively to reconnect the printer to the network. Enter the current Wi-Fi password. You can successfully configure the network. Click Select to bind the device. After the binding is successful, the basic information will be displayed on the page. If you still can't find the phone skin printer, please check if the location function of the app is enabled. Turn on positioning for Rockspace app. The Begin button is displayed in green. Click this symbol to recharge the printing times. You can manually enter the consumable code, or click the QR code sign on the right side to scan the code on the back of package to identify the consumable code. Click Recharge. A consumable code can add 36 prints. The history of recharging will be displayed on this page. Click Begin. The page will automatically pop up the order number to be printed. Click Begin to proceed. For each print, the remaining print times is reduced by 1. After printing is complete, click to cut to automatically jump to the corresponding back film template of mobile phone. Select the corresponding model to cut. Within 30 minutes, it will not reduce remaining number of times if you print and cut from the same order. Finish cutting process. Thirdly, bind heat transfer machine. Please note, It is required to install Epson Smart Panel app and configure network before binding. The Epson printer and the phone need to be connected to the same network. For details, please scan the QR code to watch the video. Click plus on the right. Click Heat Transfer Machine. Scan the QR code on the heat transfer machine. The device is added successfully. Click Begin. The order number will be displayed automatically. Click Start. Click Print with Epson. Please make sure you have already installed Epson Smart Panel app. Click Settings in the top right corner. Click Paper Size. Click A4. Click Media Type. Click Premium Presentation Paper Matte. Click Layout. Click Border. Click Print Quality. Click High. Click Done. Click Print. Printing is complete. Click $ to add the number of printing times. Enter the consumables verification code on the back of film packaging, or scan the QR code to automatically add. Click Recharge. The number increases accordingly.